Hey you guys, this is Seek on the Speed 252 checking in. For all you new subscribers, please stay tuned. This will be a great community. This will be a great channel for you to watch. Today is gonna be the 5 things I love about my Grandsport. I will make a video about the 5 things I don't like about it, but for today, this will be the 5 things I love. I absolutely do love this car though. I can't say enough about this car. I want you guys to enjoy this video. I had a few of you followers want to know a little bit more information about the Grandsport. Obviously, it's my preference. When you buy your Grandsport, maybe 5 things that you love about it is completely different from mine. But I want to show you these ideas just in case you are out on the market looking for a 2017 Grandsport, 2018 Grandsport. Either way, you will love the car in general. Here are the 5 things I love about my 2017 Grandsport. The number 1 thing I love about my Grandsport is the wheels. As you guys can see, as you've been watching my previous videos, some of my followers asked me, say, hey, are you planning to switch out to get black wheels? And for that answer, as of right now, I don't think so. The number 1 thing I do love, you don't see too many chrome wheels anymore. Everything you see is black on black, or you see white on black, red on black, or blue on black. And for me, this chrome just really looks good, especially when it's clean. As you guys can see, it is glistening in the sunlight, and when it's clean, it's just super nice. I enjoy being unique, and that's the reason why I still do have chrome wheels, and that's the reason why that is the number 1 thing I love about my Corvette. Let's hop into the number 2 thing I love about my Corvette. The number 2 thing I like about my Corvette is the hardtop. It's definitely a great feature to have if you are in the market for a hardtop and a convertible. I think that you get the best of both worlds with having a hardtop and a convertible. And your preference is your preference. Some guys like the convertible. You like mashing the button down and having your convertible go back without having you put any work in. I know with this hardtop, you do have to take it off manually, but it literally only takes about 10 seconds and you get to enjoy a good day of sun and shade. And also when it's raining, you get to put this hardtop back on and enjoy the same thing. So that is number 2 on my list of reason why I love my 2017 Grandsport. Let's hop into the number 3 thing, the reason why I love about my Grandsport is the front and rear view cameras. You put this in reverse, you get the rear view camera. If you put it in drive, you actually get both the rear view and the front 2 cameras. This also helps when you're parking in a tight space. One thing that a lot of people overlook in the 2017 Grandsports is that Chevrolet gave us the option to save gas and not save gas. Don't get me wrong, I did buy this sports car because I wanted a sports car, and this is my very first sports car. But at the same time, I love cruising with my friends. I love just going out and getting a bite to eat, and sometimes I like just being in my Corvette. So I have the option to save gas, which is put this car in eco mode, and I have my option to put it in sport mode. And that's another great feature that I think a lot of people overlook. An awesome feature I like to talk about my Grandsport is the PDR recorder. I love this feature. I mean, I love going to the track. You can ask my friends. The track is a place where now I would love to be at 24/7, just doing track things with my Grandsport. This is my very first sports car, so being able to have this feature and take advantage of it is awesome. It's easy to operate. All you have to do is buy an SD card, 32 gigabyte. I wouldn't recommend buying anything bigger than that because it will not work. This PDR is a great feature to have when you're on the track consistently. And I love going to the track. The track is somewhere where I feel at home, and being able to mash this button and record this anytime, any given time I'm on the track is awesome. It records my 0 to 60, it records my lap time. So for any of you guys that's out there looking for a Corvette and you are considering whether or not you need a PDR, I think it's a great feature to have, especially if you're ever considering taking your car to the track, because it lets you know how well you're doing on the track and records everything you need to know about your track day. So this is one feature that I definitely love to have in my 2017 Grandsport. There you have it, you guys. Those are the 5 things I love about my 2017 Grandsport. I hope this helps you guys out. To anyone that's out there actually want to purchase a Grandsport as well, please subscribe. Hit that red button down below. Hit that little bell beside it so you get a notification anytime I release the video. Please leave comments below as well. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I look forward to catching you in the next video.